Ajman. It is extremely important for Woodlem Park School Ajman to ensure that we obtain feedback after the successful completion of an academic year on a joint partnership with parents as its primary stakeholders. After all, it's the bond between a parent, teacher and student that speaks of the effectiveness of the teaching-learning process. We believe that as an institution, we wish to continually evolve, and some genuine feedback will help us to not only rest in our laurels but also to march ahead with a strong optimism that we will make it big in the days to come. So let's traverse through the evolving journey with many voices that will allow us to see where our strengths lie and delve deep into the areas in which we need to improve.
I'm so happy with that because I've got boys. So boys always, if you just point out only on studies, they are not going to love the school. So if you are same time, if you're giving in both the hand in hand, sports, all the dance, even the painting competition, there is a lot of other things which Woodlem has brought into my kids. So I'm so happy that they are enjoying at school. So once they enjoy, all the parents are happy at home.
ഞങ്ങൾ ഭയങ്കര ഹാപ്പിയാണ് വുഡ്ലം പാർക്ക് സ്കൂളിൽ. അപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് കൂടുതലായിട്ട് പറയാനുള്ളത് ഇവിടുത്തെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ഒരു കെയറിങ് ആണ്. ഇവിടുത്തെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സൊക്കെ ഭയങ്കര കെയറിങ് ആണ് കുട്ടികളെ. പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ഇപ്പോൾ KG1 KG2 സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന് അവർക്ക് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ വേണ്ടത് കെയറിങ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഇവിടുത്തെ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് നല്ല കെയറിങ് കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട് കുട്ടികൾക്ക്. പിന്നെ ഇവിടുത്തെ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് എല്ലാവർക്കും പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഒരു അവസരമാണ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. അതിലൊക്കെ ഭയങ്കര ഹാപ്പിയാണ്, സന്തോഷമാണ്.
They have settled very well and they could do it with the support of teachers. So I think the staff is really friendly and very supportive. They really rely on the teachers. My kids rely on the teachers for everything, and I got the best of it.
Motivation to get more marks. My daughter scored very good, nice. My son also did well.
This school, Esther has been here for 6 months, and so far I've seen a very big improvement in her life, studies and activities. Thank you so much.
As per my experience, it's wonderful, and it was a very short period for us. Hopefully it will be great for the next year, coming years.
The facilities are good till now. We've been here, it's been 2 years. Overall everything is very nice. We are happy with all this.
Yeah, so far so good. We are happy with Woodland Park. Yeah, she started, she's following now. So alhamdulillah, we are going good. We are happy with Woodland Park School.
And we are very happy with the service and the support the staff has given here, and the teachers are very helpful. Also, he has done a lot of things and he has improved a lot on his communication skills, and he learned a lot of new things, which we are extremely happy with that, and hope it will be continuing in the next class as well.
My kids enjoy the school, the atmosphere of the school. They have great friends over here.
I think it's a good thing that it's a multicultural school. I prefer my kids to go to a school which has people from different parts of the world. You get to know so much about other cultures and other countries, and it's been a good experience so far.
I'm happy with the progress they have education wise and what social development, everything is perfect here.
We are totally happy with the school environment, the education curriculum and all. Really happy to continue with this school. Thank you so much.
കുട്ടി ഒരുപാട് മെച്ചപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. ബൈ ഹാൻഡ് റൈറ്റിംഗ് ആയാലും കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷനാണ് കൂടുതൽ കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷനാണ് നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്നത്. ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് എങ്ങനെ ഒരുപാട് മെച്ചപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. അത് ടീച്ചറുടെ സപ്പോർട്ട് കൊണ്ടാണ് കൂടുതൽ. അവിടെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഉള്ള ഇംഗ്ലീഷാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്, അതുകൊണ്ട് നല്ല മെച്ചപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട് കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷൻ.
ഞാൻ വുഡ്ലമിലേക്ക് വന്നത് ലാസ്റ്റ് ഇയറാണ് വുഡ്ലമിൽ വന്ന് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തത് തന്നെ. എനിക്കിവിടെ ആദ്യം തന്നെ പറയാനുള്ളത്, വന്ന് കയറുമ്പോഴേ എനിക്കൊരു ഹോംലി അറ്റ്മോസ്ഫിയറാണ്. എല്ലാവരോടും നന്നായിട്ട് എനിക്ക് മിണ്ടാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ട്. എല്ലാവരും നല്ല അറ്റാച്ച്മെൻ്റാണ് ശരിക്കും. പിള്ളേർക്കാണെങ്കിലും സ്കൂളിൽ വരിക എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒരു മടിയായിട്ട് എനിക്ക് ഇതുവരെ ഫീൽ ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. എൻ്റെ ചെറിയ മോൾക്കാണെങ്കിലും അവൾ പറയുന്നുണ്ട് എനിക്ക് റീഡ് ചെയ്യാനൊക്കെ നന്നായി പറ്റുന്നുണ്ട് ഇപ്പം. Compared to KG1 KG2, she was in grade 1, now grade 2, she is going to grade 2. പക്ഷേ അവളിപ്പോൾ റീഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്, സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് വരാൻ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ബസ്സിലാണെങ്കിലും അവൾ ഭയങ്കര കംഫോർട്ടാണെന്ന് എപ്പോഴും പറയാറുണ്ട്. എല്ലാം കൊണ്ട് എനിക്ക് വളരെ ഇഷ്ടമാണ് വുഡ്ലം പാർക്ക്.
നല്ല ഇമ്പ്രൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് കിട്ടും. രണ്ട് കുട്ടികളും ഇവിടെ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ആ ഉള്ളൊരു ക്വാളിറ്റി അല്ല ഇപ്പോൾ നന്നായിട്ട് അവർ ടീച്ചർ തന്നെ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്, അവർ നന്നായിട്ട് പെർഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ.
My kids are here. That's to tell you how I find it. genuinely speaking, it's a school that is striving for the best. A school that is striving to leave positive imprint on the sands of time to elevate future leaders and intelligent society as well.
This is the first year I have put in my 2 kids here, and like I'm quite happy with the way how the whole thing has transformed. Actually, I put my younger one, Savio, like without knowing anything. Like if he did not know even letters. But actually, I should say thank you to Sheenu ma'am and Vinuda ma'am. They were like excellent, and all the staff, like whoever I have seen here, they are like, I would say 200% dedicated people are there.
The teachers, all the staffs are very, 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 very fruitful, I can say, rather than so gentle and humble. Because the kids are here, we feel it's at home, it's not in the school. So we are very happy and thankful to all Woodland Park School management.
Woodland Park School കുറിച്ച് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ no words. Because എൻ്റെ സിസ്റ്ററാണ് ഇവിടെ പഠിക്കുന്നത്. അവിടെ പാസ്സാവാൻ തന്നെ റീസൺ ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് മാത്രം. അത്രയ്ക്ക് നല്ല സ്റ്റാഫ്, ടീച്ചേഴ്സ്, ബിഹേവിയർ ആണെങ്കിലും വേറെ എന്താണെങ്കിലും പ്രോഗ്രാംസ് എന്താണെങ്കിലും they are good.
കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷൻ സ്കില്ല് വളരെ ഇമ്പ്രൂവ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഈ കൊച്ചുപ്രായത്തിൽ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വേണ്ട എല്ലാവിധ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ രീതിയിലും കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷൻ സ്കില്ലിലും പിന്നെ ബാക്കിയുള്ള എക്സ്ട്രാ കരിക്കുലർ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസിലൊക്കെ നല്ല ഇമ്പ്രൂവ്മെൻ്റ് ഉണ്ട്.
Okay, so I brought my 2 children, twin daughters actually, from British system to Indian system. The difference they felt and we felt actually that here actually more in depth. Okay, there are actually means they were getting the education good, but the knowledge and the depth of the understanding of the subjects they got here in this school, and we really like this school. Okay, and we even refer to many people also that quality of education and quality of the everything. Okay, and the teachers are very cooperative, and the thing is that now they are understanding better than the British system here in this school.
A very good school, to be honest. The teachers are pretty cooperative. There are some very good facilities, like the sports ground is pretty good. They're building a new swimming pool, and the overall experience was pretty pleasant, to be honest.
Manners wise, behavior wise, studies wise, improvement wise, the schools and teachers cooperating with the kids is best, and in every way, as I said. So my rating is 5-star for in every way to the school.
School teachers are also so good, and
they're supporting too much, like helping her for mingling with the student and everything. So very cooperative. So from the management side also they are supporting us very well.
പിന്നെ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം കുറച്ച് ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആയി തോന്നി ഈ സ്കൂളിൽ. മീൻസ് നോ ഹോം വർക്ക്സ്, പിന്നെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ തന്നെ ഒരുവിധം എല്ലാ ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസും ടീച്ചേഴ്സ് ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് തന്നെ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നു, ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് തന്നെ ചെയ്യിപ്പിക്കുന്നു. സോ നമുക്കൊരു ബേർഡൻ പോലെ ഹോം വർക്ക്സ് ഒന്നും അങ്ങനെ തരുന്നില്ല.
As a parent, I'm very happy the way she grasps all the academic and non-academic, extracurricular activities what she do now. I'm a happy parent of Woodland Park.
Teachers are very good. Teachers are polite, and the school management is good. What else? You want to share something? Chalo.
குட்டீஸ்க்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. லைக் பண்ணி ரொம்ப ஜாலியாக ஒரு நாளும் வர்றது ரொம்ப ஜாலியாக லைக் பண்ணி வரானுங்க. அதனால் எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது அனுப்புறதுக்கே.
So somehow we got information about your Woodland Park. So we just love the place you have and everything. But luckily we got admission for a baby, and because she already missed her 1 year in a home, so in 1 year she progressed a lot. So our one boy was studied in Sharjah Indian School. So we thought that we will move that boy to this Woodland Park, because seriously it's nice.
The teachers are good. They're very supportive. They help the kids. They're enjoying. They're good. Yeah.
The teaching part is very good for them, and alhamdulillah, I'm really appreciate for your support.
This school is comparing to other school. This school is good in activities. Not only is focused only on the education, extracurricular activities. So before my kids are going to other school, 2 years before, when we knew about the latest technology and latest information technology and special unique quality of this school. So we changed to this school, and and it's and the homework is less. The others, comparing to other school, homework is less, and it's friendly environments.
We had a very beautiful experience, wonderful school, and my child is enjoying like anything. Every day he wants to come to school. He don't want to take leave also. So his kid is also very busy, engaged in various activities. The school is also concentrating more on extra curriculum as well as educational study wise everything. So we are very much happy, and I've enrolled my second child also here for KG1.
We are very happy. Good team, good teachers, good non-teaching staff. Thank you very much for entire Woodland Park team.
Annual day was very good. Actually, this is our first time to attend such, and it was really exciting to see our kids do all these dances and all this one. It was fun. My kid enjoyed a lot.
Yes, it was very good.
It was really nice. It was really nice.
I like Woodland Park School. It's a nice school with nice teachers, and I love Woodland Park so much. I love them so much.
I prefer the school because it's very nice in academics, activities, and there are a lot of friends. We had a lot of fun over here. This year went so fast, we didn't realize that. I like how the teachers are teaching us. The methods are very good, and this will be helping us for future.
I feel very proud of this school. I've been to many schools before, but this is like a school that I'm really proud to be in. It feels like family.
Woodland Park has been special to me in many cases, and they provided me with special teachers like Mr. Victor, Prema ma'am, and many more.
The best thing that I like about this school is about my teachers. They are one of the best persons in the world. Like each and everything, I share it with my teachers, and they are the ones who tell me what is wrong and what is right. And this is one of the best experience that I've ever had in my school, my teachers. And they are the most beloved ones. And of course, they shout at me at times, but I know it's for my good. And they are the best things that I like about my school.
I feel happy because my teachers have supported me. Now I'm the topper. I feel happy because making it possible, my teachers have helped me. What they taught me, I wrote it in the paper, and now I am the topper. I feel so happy.
We are really happy for the progress of the kids, their social life, activity life, and their study. Thank you so much to Woodland Park.
Woodland Park School is certainly going to make a mark in the international arena, because we have very seriously focused our attention on 21st century learning skills. Why Woodland Park? Because education is something that today children don't get inside the classroom, they get it outside. So how a teacher channelizes the energy, or how the teacher channelizes the information that he or she gets outside into a classroom and makes it meaningful is what Woodland Park is all about. So if you put your child in Woodland Park School, be rest assured that your child will just not have the 21st century learning skills, but will be ready to brave the challenges in the world. So when I talk about challenges, it is very important that a school caters to different learning styles, and that is the speciality of Woodlem. We ensure holistic learning to not only identify the learners, but support them with academic and other facilities that will cater to the holistic development of a child. In other words, the classroom will turn studios, and laboratories will enhance the learning of a student inside the classroom. So Woodland Park is special because of its innovation, to be different from the rest of the schools in the globe.
Thank you, dear parents and well-wishers. You make us feel so beautiful. Thank you, our dear viewer, for taking some time to know more about Woodland Park School. We promise to ensure that our children will experience the 21st century technology-enabled curriculum for the ensuing year 2019-20 to break all barriers and emerge out victoriously to brave their challenges with a smile. Step in to feel and experience the difference in the ensuing academic year too. Step in to feel and experience the difference in the ensuing academic year too. Woodlem Park School, Ajman. Woodlem Park School, Ajman.